Hello everyone, I am Rupa. I am working for East West Public School since 15 years. From last year, we have been using all the books of LilBeez, and I'm very happy with the concepts what they have. They are very good concepts which trains the children in all the aspects, like especially the grammar portion. I liked it, so that when they go to first standard, they'll be thorough with all the grammar portions, the basic ones, maybe the helping verbs, the action words, the plurals. I felt very happy about the book. The maths, the concepts are good. What is required for the UKG child, everything has been covered. I'm happy, I felt happy using the book. So this book has started with the basic pre-math concepts, which is very essential, so that the children will recall whatever they have learnt it in the previous years, and the shapes also. And after each concept, an activity sheet has been given, which is very helpful, and really the children will enjoy doing it, and it is the best method of reinforcement and recalling. Even it has got 4 lines, so that the child can follow the line concept even in maths, and which improves their handwriting as well. The concepts are good. What I felt, it is helping them a lot, so that they will be thorough for their first standard. Yeah, thank you.